Hi folks, so you need to go to Teams in your browser, or if you've got the application on your computer you can do that. So click on that, go into Teams. You're going to sign in, which you should already be in there, or if not, use your school email address. Okay, here we go. So that's opened. Once you're in there, you're going to go to Calendar, click on that. There we go. Now you'll see up here you've got Meet Now, click on there. You're going to make sure that your video is off and only audio is on, and join now. So from this point you should be able to start recording audio. So you go to your three dots. If it goes off, just click on the screen, bring that up again, three dots, start recording. There you go, you're recording, that's perfect, blah 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 blah. Click the three dots, stop recording to stop recording. Okay, so you're going to stop recording and then you'll end the meeting by using the red phone. After that, that's done, your recording's finished. If you go to the chat icon, your most recent recording will be in there. You're going to download it onto your computer. So you press the button, it should just download. Then you need to go and in your Finder or to your downloads folder, go into your email, click new message. Then you're going to send an email to me, Miss Love. I want you to put your name and the date of the lesson, or whenever you're sending it. The date of the lesson would be great, so that's on a Tuesday. Next, we're going to attach that file. So you can see where I've just highlighted. You go browse this computer, go to downloads, your download option. Okay, and the video, it'll be called video. So you'll open that, and that's how you attach it. Then you're going to press send, boom. I should have your recording and you should know how to record. So let me know if that's a problem.